Good afternoon, my name is Jesus and I'm going to talk about derivatives. I'm going to show you 4 examples. The first one is when y is equal to a constant. The derivative is going to be 0. For example, y equals to 2, the derivative is going to be 0. The second one is when y is equal to x. Always is going to be 1. For example, y equals to x, derivative equals to 1. The third one is when y is equal to a constant times x, the derivative is going to be the constant. For example, y equals 7x, the derivative is going to be 7. The fourth one, when y is equal to a constant times x and an exponent. We will use the formula y prime is equal to n times a times u, and the exponent we will subtract n minus 1. The constant is going to be the a, the x is going to be the u, and the exponent is going to be n. And we can see that substitute the formula with the example. We have this one. The 24 is because 3 times 8 is 24, and the 2 is because the exponent is 3 and we always subtract the exponent minus 1. So it's gonna be 24x squared.
Good afternoon, my name is Veronica. I'm going to talk about the power rule. When x is raised to a power, we use this formula. Y equals to x to the, and n is going to be our exponent. Y equal to x to the cube. Here we substitute in the formula of the derivative. Y equals to 3, that is our n, x, and the exponent minus 1. We get 3x to the square. In the product rule, we use the formula y equals u times v. Y equals x squared times y cubed, where x squared is going to be our u and y to the cube is going to be our v. Here we get our derivatives, and it's 2x, and for v it's going to be 3y to the square. Here we use the formula for the derivative of y, where we substitute the values in the formula. We get 2x times y to the cube plus 3y squared times x squared. When we multiply these values, we get 2x squared y to the cube and 3y squared times x squared. In the quotient rule, we have the formula y equals u over v. Here an example, we have 7x squared, that is going to be our u, and 2y, that is going to be our v. We get the derivatives of both values and we substitute them in the formula. Y prime equals 2y, that is our v, 14x, that is our u prime, plus u, that is 7x squared, times 2, that is our v prime, over 2y to the squared, that is our v squared. Here we multiply the values, and here we simplify them so that we can eliminate the 2y. As a result, we get 14x times 14x squared because we multiplied these values, and as we eliminated the 2y over 2y.
Good afternoon, my name is Ricardo and I'm going to explain you about the logarithmic function. Here is, as you can see, it's in times u, and the formula of the derivative for this is 1 over u times u prime. Here is an example. In times 3x. 3x is what we call the u. And here is the formula. it's 1 over 3x times 3. 3 is like our u prime. Here we simplify 3 and 3 and we get this result, 1 over x. Here is another logarithmic function, is log of a times u. Here's the formula. U prime over u times in times a and times u prime. Here the example with numbers. Log of 2 is our a, and times 7x. 7x is our u. Here's the formula. 7, that is our u prime, over 7x, that is our u, times in times 2, that is our a, times 7 again, that is our u prime. We get this result, 49 over 7x times in times 2, and we simplify this with this, and it becomes 7 over x times in times 2. Thank you.